wa utheria wa maria maturigiceirie ugithii na mbere anyiti itemi nimatigireire nimagukorwo maturigiceirie nimagukorwo makibacirira maria maturigiceirie na nimathiete na mbere na guikia riitana kuri akenya nigetha makona mitaratara miega ya kuramata uitangii wa gikoo na Makiaria mari mwena wa nanyuki thini wa kaunti ya Laikipia nimacakaite wongerereku oro hamwe hakinya ni uteangi wa gikoo kiria gikoretwo gikirehe na njira nene na guthukangia maria maturigiceirie. Mwandiki wa ruhonge ruru rwa mititu wa maria maturigiceirie John Elungata niyo heanite riboti ino handu-ini ha minister wa maria maturigiceirie niwe Soipan Tuya.
Annual global social event that is aimed at combating solid waste problems. Our planet, the Earth, is the only home we have. It provides us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the resources that sustain our lives. Yet, it is in great danger, and we are the cause.
Wish all the residents we join hands to ensure that our environment is clean.
Awareness of the need for a clean environment to an all-time high. This year's World Cleanup Day celebrations will be guided by the theme, Think Before You Trash It. The slogan emphasizes the importance of saving the earth by reusing and recycling waste. It's the responsibility of public entities, county governments, private sector, and individuals to ensure waste generated is collected, segregated, and trashed in accordance with environmental laws.